Hey there, and welcome as we explore window replacement cost in 2024. As always, you can email us and get our free recommended windows list. And for reviews and pricing on over 275 top window brands, visit us online at replacement.windowsreviews.co. All right, so let's get to it. The window replacement cost range in 2024 is $400 to $4,000 for a mid-sized double-hung window with installation. Now, this massive price range doesn't tell us much, so let's break it down by material. First up are vinyl windows, which account for nearly 70% of all new and replacement windows sold in the United States today. The price range here is $400 to roughly $1,400, basically no real difference from 2023. However, I should say that between 2020 and 2023, there was a significant increase that I might put at 20 to 25%, which was pretty brutal. Now, at the low end of this price range would be a window you purchase at Home Depot or Lowe's for, say, $250 and pay a handyman $150 to install. At the high end of this range would be a Polaris UltraWeld, for example, that you purchase for $1,000 from a certified dealer and then pay a certified installer $400 for new construction installation. My rule of thumb is $200 for insert installation and $400 for new construction installation. Between these low-end and high-end price points would be obviously everything else. Brands like Silverline, up to Cascade, to Feldco, up to Champion, to Window Nation, to Okna, etc. In 2024, the average window replacement cost for a vinyl window is probably $1,000 per window fully installed. Okay, on to fiberglass. Fiberglass windows are a significant step up in price from vinyl, typically 30 to 40% more. Fiberglass is a stronger and more durable option that many homeowners prefer due to its slightly better appearance, longevity, and because a fiberglass window can be painted. However, this price point often puts them out of the reach of many homeowners. My own opinion is that a good mid-range or premium vinyl window offers the better return on investment for most homeowners, unless you plan to live in your home long-term, your forever home. In these cases, fiberglass should definitely be in the mix of bids. One note on vinyl and return on investments. Low-end or cheap vinyl windows, and there are literally hundreds of these manufacturers in the United States, will not provide good return on investment. So do keep that in mind. Let's turn to aluminum and composites. Aluminum and composite windows will typically run 20% more than the cost of fiberglass, but these two materials account for a relatively small percentage of the market. Aluminum windows do have a place in the hot climates like Houston and elsewhere. Composite windows are a bit of a grab bag in terms of price. The best known composite is the Renewal by Andersen, which can run $2,000 to $4,000 per window. I tend to think they are quite a bit overpriced, but they remain a popular brand that has high name recognition. By far the most expensive material on the market is wood windows, which often come with an exterior aluminum or vinyl cladding. The 2024 window replacement cost for wood windows ranges from, say, $1,800 to $4,000 fully installed. Wood windows do come with some serious disadvantages, certainly cost being one of them. Wood windows do require periodic staining and or maintenance, and they often achieve some of the least impressive energy efficiency numbers, especially over time. Most wood windows come with a 20 to 25 year warranty, and this is a good way to think about how long the window manufacturers expect them to last. Okay, so let's talk about some of the other factors that affect cost. Perhaps the most important is company bids. Companies can bid out projects any way they see fit, and I see wild discrepancies on price, even amongst companies bidding out the same exact project with the same exact window. It's the reason I always urge homeowners to collect multiple bids and to tell each company that comes out that you are collecting 4 to 5 bids before you make any decision. This often prevents the sort of swing for the fences price quotes that I often hear about. Another big cost factor is installation. As a general rule, the windows and or doors should account for 2/3 of the project price, and installation should account for the final third. Now, while I gave a rough estimate of $200 for insert installation and $400 for new construction or full frame installation, there are lots of factors that can drive this price point up or down. The biggest factor is the overall condition of your frames and sills. If you do have an older home and there is some question as to the proper installation method, do yourself a favor and just keep collecting those bids until you find the consensus amongst local companies as to the proper installation technique for your home. Other factors that will increase your project price point include the following. If you have any large configurations or specialty type windows like ovals, eyebrows, garden windows, etc., the size of your windows, if you want exterior or interior frame colors, your home's exterior material, vinyl or aluminum capping on the exterior window surrounds, if you need any specialty glass, any glass package upgrades you want, lead removal fees, and adding grids to your windows. There are additional factors that can drive price, but this is a great laundry list, and I think it illustrates how difficult it is to answer the question of how much should a window cost. You need those multiple bids from local companies to compare apples to apples and to find the best window at the best price from the best company. All right, so that's our take on window replacement cost in 2024. If you like this video and you're in the market for windows, we have a free form on our site for 3 quality window price quotes. We will help you answer any project questions and help sort through any project bids to help you get the very best window at the very best price. That is our personal guarantee to you.